Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see the solution of this nice algebra equation in an easy way. The equation is root 3 times x square minus 2 times root 2 times x minus 2 times root 3 is equal to 0. We have to find all possible root of x in this equation. So let's see how we can find it out. In the very first step, we will multiply by root 3 throughout the equation minus 2 root 3 times root 2x minus 2 times root 3 times root 3 is equal to 0. This root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3 because root 3 times root 3 is equal to root 3 square. Square and root cancel out. This is equal to 3. So this will be equal to 3x square minus 2 root 3 times root 2x minus 2 root 3 times root 3 is again 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 0. In the next step, we will rewrite this 3x square as root 3x whole square because when we open the square of root 3x, this will be equal to root 3 square times x square. Square and root will be cancelled out. This is equal to 3x square. We just manipulate the value of 3x square minus 2 root 3 times root 2x. Why we have done this? Because we want to make a square. So we have to add and subtract root 2 square to make a square. Minus 2 times 3 is 6 is equal to 0. Now we can see this is equal to root 3x minus root 2 whole square. And this root 2 square and root cancel out. This is equal to minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. This is equal to root 3x minus root 2 whole square. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 is equal to 0. Now root 3x minus root 2 whole square is equal to 8. By moving 8 to right hand side, it will become positive. This is equal to root 3x minus root 2 is equal to plus minus 8. It can be written as root 3x minus root 2 is equal to positive 8 or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to minus 8. Now taking this root 2 to right hand side, root 3x is equal to 8 plus root 2 or root 3x is equal to minus 8 plus root 2. As we have to find the root of x, we have to find the value of x. So this root 3 will be divided 8 plus root 2 over root 3 or x is equal to minus 8 plus root 2 divided by root 3. It means we got the 2 root of x. 8 plus root 2 over root 3 is the first root and minus 8 plus root over root 3 is the other root. I hope you find this solution easy. If you need any help, please write in the comment box. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.